Hello friends, my name is Sibi. In this video I am going to show you how to create a DigitalOcean server. If you don't have a DigitalOcean account before, you not created it, okay, then there is a link I added in the description of this video, and there you can go through my link and get around $50 as gift. Okay, so by using that $50 you can create any number of server as you wish. Okay, so after sign up using my link, okay, register your account, sign up completed, then go to digitalocean.com, then click on the sign in and log in with your user ID and password. Okay, after you log in, you can see a dashboard something like this. Yes, okay. So in my case there is a lot of domains and droplets I have created, but for you, if you are new, then this section will be blank. Okay, anyway, leave it that. Okay, so click on the create button at the right top. Okay, right side top, there is a droplets. You can see a droplet. Okay, click on that. From here you can here now we are going to choose the configurations, okay, for your server. So in my case, I am not deploying any applications. Actually, I wish to host my WordPress website. Okay, for hosting a WordPress website, the best settings is CentOS, the operating system CentOS. Select the 7 version because of majority of the tutorials available online for support. Okay, if you face any problem in future, CentOS 7 tutorials are everywhere. Okay, CentOS 8 is new, but I didn't tested it. Maybe that is greater than 7, but I'm experienced with the 7 and I didn't meet any problem in my past experience. There is no problem I faced since 2-3 years. Okay, so I go with CentOS 7. Okay, then shared CPU basic. Okay, there is a lot of plans. You can start from $5 in a month, $5 per month. You can if you are looking to host just a small website, then this package is okay, but in my case I am choosing a $15 2 GB RAM, 2 CPU. Okay, because I am going to host more than 2-3 websites in this hosting. Okay, the minimum will be 3. Okay, so I choose this plan. Okay, then I don't need more storage because this plan itself having 60 GB SSD and 3 terabyte bandwidth and 2 GB of RAM. That's enough for me. Anyway, if you need more storage, you can add it, but that will be extra cost. Okay, and okay, there are locations in USA. In New York, there are 2 locations available. The 2 is total 3, but the 2 is maybe capacity is limited, so they are not offering. Okay, in Amsterdam, only 1 location is available. In San Francisco, 2 remaining. Singapore 1, London 1. Okay, according to my configuration, I am looking for a website that is only focused on India. Okay, my visitors, more than 75% of visitors will be from India, so I choose Bangalore. Okay, if you are focusing your website will get a traffic from all over the world, then I suggest you to go with Toronto, that's in Canada, or USA, any USA, New York or San Francisco, any USA will be better if you are focusing worldwide. Okay, I am also focusing worldwide, but more than 70% of people from India, so I can deliver them my website fastly. Okay, quick load. I can reduce the loading time for the 75% of people. So the remaining 25, I have another solutions and to give them a fast access to my website. So I will post that kind of optimization videos. Okay, how to load our website faster in a different remote location. So I'll post more videos in my channel, so you can if you wish to know more tips and tricks, you can do the subscribe and enable the bell icon, hit the like button, and do almost all what you can what you have to do, you can do to support me. Okay, if you wish to help me, you can do in all the ways. Okay, so here we are going to select the CentOS 7 and the 15 USD 2 GB 2 CPU plan, and location is Bangalore, okay, India. Okay, so the next option, VPC network, that's I chose by default. Okay, then enabling IP6 and monitoring. The user data is not needed anyway. For in my case, it is not needed. If you need, you can use that. Okay, so in my case, I choose these two options. Okay, then here is the main part of the creating a DigitalOcean server. This is the main part. Okay, here you have to create. You have two options. One is a SSH keys. Okay, why this is using to log in to your server. Okay, log into your server, accessing to the command line, putting commands and installing softwares, and all that things. Okay, accessing your server through remote. Okay, so you can do in a two methods, by password and SSH key. I highly recommend SSH because of encrypted key. Okay, but a password can be attacked through a brute force method. So I don't recommend anyone to use this password. I highly recommend to go with the SSH, but it is little bit complicated for a newcomer. Really, it is complicated. It was complicated for me in a few years before, but now I am good at this part. Okay, so I'll listen this very carefully. You follow this every steps. What I am doing is, okay, first of all, you have to go to Putty. Search on Google and Putty, or Putty, whatever you pronounce. I don't know how to pronounce this. Okay, anyway, this putty.org. Okay, click on that. Here you go. You can download the Putty here. Okay, after download, you go install that. Okay, install in your PC. Then you can see when you search Putty, you can see two things. These two are most important, though others are manuals, but these two are important. So once you reach this section, okay, this section, you open Putty Gen. Okay, Putty Gen means Putty generator. Okay, this is a key generating. We are going to generate a key for this new server. Okay, so how to create? Just click on the generate button and move your mouse like this. Okay, done. That's all. It's very simple. You click the generate button and move your mouse like this. Okay, then fine. Now RSA key, you can see something like this here. RSA key something. Okay, what I have to do is anything you can put my name or your name, or here I am putting like DO India. Okay, DO DigitalOcean India. Okay, DigitalOcean India. Okay, anything you can put, your name or my name, anything. Anyway, so RSA -key -digital-ocean -India. That's my choice. You can choose whatever you like. Okay, so there should be a password. You must remember this password forever. You can't change this easily. Okay, so make a password, a good password, and save it in your computer and note it down in a diary or your notebook or somewhere else. Okay, so make this you don't forget this. Okay, keep it safe. Okay, so here I am putting my password. It's a simple one. Okay, not that much simple, but anyway, simple for me. Okay, after putting this password, okay, click on the save private key button. Save private key. Okay, it will open somewhere the location in my PC. Anyway, I'll put a name for this. Okay, that's yeah, this is okay. Save. I saved it. Okay, now what you have to do is, you see this, after you save, from here you copy this key. This is important. Okay, this is important. Copy the key, then come here, click on new SSH key, just paste it. Okay, then here you can put a name. I use the same name. Okay, I use the same name. Okay, now click on add SSH key. Done. See here, you came. Okay, if you have this one, okay, DigitalOcean India, that one we created now and saved in the local system. Here we saved it in the folder in our PC, also added that key in the DigitalOcean. Done. Now the main important part is done. Okay, now here you can, if you need to create multiple droplets, multiple server, you can add the number, but in my case I just need one. Okay, I need just one. Okay, here also I don't want to change anything. I can change whatever I like I can change the name, but for now I don't want to change. Later also I can change. If after creation I can change this if I want. Okay, so I leave that by default. Okay, then if you need to back up your server all the time, last 4 weeks backup, if you need to access the last 4 weeks backup, okay, you can enable this. Anyway, in my case I don't want to do that. For now I go to create a droplet now. Okay, so anyway, you have to look once again, CentOS 7 basics, the plan, the location, okay, VPC default, okay, the settings, SSH key, this is very important. Okay, then okay, done, everything is okay, perfect, seems good. Create the droplet, that's all. Now let the system do their job. The system is creating your droplet according to your configuration. Anyway, wait for it. It will take some time normally. Okay, anyway, you generated the key generator, you generated the RSA key. Now you can close this putty and wait for the system completes the installation. Okay, I think it's done. Okay, so okay, now what you see is you can see, you can open the server. Okay, you can change the name if you wish later. Okay, anytime you can change it. Okay, you can see the system server here. Okay, now you can access the console. The console means the server. Okay, you can access through here also, launch console. Okay, it will show the black screen. Okay, this is a DigitalOcean's own console, but I don't want to use their console. I don't know, mostly the professionals use Putty, so I want to use Putty. Okay, anyway, I just closing this one and let's open the Putty. Here is something you have to take care of. Okay, you have to take care of something very important. Okay, so default settings. Once you click on the default settings and click on load. Okay, just make something default. If you have something default, okay, no problem. If you have everything is black, everything is blank, do this, just follow this method, what I am doing now. Here from your DigitalOcean dashboard, you can copy the IPv4. Just click on the copy button. Okay, then paste the IP here. Okay, paste it, then do this, root at your server main IP. This is the main IP. Okay, so once you've done this, click on SSH. Okay, nothing else, just give a name as we given before. Okay, so the root at your IP, a name, click on the save button. That's it. Okay, so in Putty we done the IP, we given a name, click on the save button. Now where is it? Okay, here. Once you select this and click on the load button. Okay, if you click on another, then the IP will be, the settings will be different, right? See, you see this, something different. Okay, so click on your newly created name, load. So verify root at your server IP here. Okay, root, the name, you click on load. Okay, now you have to go to here, SSH. You see session, terminal, window, connection. Under connection you can see SSH. Okay, under SSH you can see AUTH, authentication, auth. You click here and click on the browse button. Okay, there, the one we just now saved. Okay, we created in the Putty generator and saved in the local system. Select the exact file, click open. Done. Okay, now after you browse the file, selection, open. Okay, done. Now go to session, click on save. Go to sessions, click on save. That's it. Now again click on the DigitalOcean India, the name you given here before. Click on load. Okay, then click on open. This warning is normal for the first time. Click on S. Now you see your server. We are going to access your server through Putty. It is asking for a password. Do you remember the password you given when you created the RSA key in the DigitalOcean? You remember, right? Okay, I remember my password. Okay, that is, it will not show here. I entered my password, but it will not show. Just click on the enter button. That's just to press the enter button in the keyboard. Done. Now I logged in to the server. You see, I have a root access. Okay, you can run any commands. You can run any commands, any CentOS commands here. It will show the server information if you wish to show. I just want to power off the system for now temporarily. So I run the power off command. System is power off now. How you know it is power off? Just close this and reload this. You see, it will be off. Now. See, before it was on. Now it is off. So everything is done. We created a DigitalOcean server and access it through the Putty. Okay, now what is next? You created this. Okay, wonderful. What is next? We are going to install a web server and we are going to install a WordPress and create a website using DigitalOcean server. Okay, so I will post a new video, a next video very soon. Okay, very soon. So once you create this thing, leave it. Then watch my another video. There I will show you how to install the web server, the cPanel, the WordPress and everything. Okay, if you really liked my work, if you want more solution like this, click on the subscribe button below and enable the bell icon. Okay, click on the bell icon, click on the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I am sharing my knowledge the hard learned knowledge from last few years. Okay, I'm sharing my knowledge to you. So if you value my knowledge a little bit, share this to your friends. I'm helping you, you help your friends. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and I'm happy to see you again in my channel. If you have any doubts, drop your comments below. Any doubts? If I know this, I will reply you instantly. If I don't know, I will learn something and reply for you. Okay, anyway, I hope this is the easiest method to create a server in DigitalOcean. Okay, if you don't have money, you don't worry. Just click the link in the description. You get $50 as credit. You can create as much as server as you like. Maybe you can get $100. Sometime they give $100 offer, sometime 25, sometime 50, sometime 100. So click on the link, sign up for a new account, and see you on board. Thank you so much. Signing off, CB Paul.